Will 15mm spacers 5x114.3 wheel spacers make a difference? If you are interested in buying new offset rims for your Lexus IS, you may have run across 5x114.3 wheel spacers. By spacing the wheels out about 15mm, Lexus IS wheel spacers solve rubbing problems easily and quickly. The 15mm spacers are auto accessories that add more inner wheel clearance. Whether you are upgrading to wider tires or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing problems. Simple put, 15mm to 25mm is the best size range for Lexus IS. If you want to have more accurate data, it is better to measure the wheel gap. By increasing the track width, the contact points of the lines are enlarged, which results in more stability and smoothness. The best part is that a set of quality Lexus IS wheel spacers can provide a similar effect as offset wheels, but cost less. Just like the wheels, forged aluminum is better than cast steel. BONOSS forged FT cooling Lexus IS wheel spacers are made of high-quality forged 606.1T6 and 707.5T6 aluminum alloy. After the unique super forging process, the strength, hardness, and toughness are greatly enhanced. Since aluminum alloy has good thermal conductivity, the aluminum wheel spacers will dissipate brake heat better. BONOSS forged FT cooling IS wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the outside cold air to continuously flow inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The air removes the heat, thus achieving the purpose of FT heat dissipation for the brake system. Such heat dissipation grooves increase cooling efficiency, reduce brake thermal degradation, and improve road safety.